Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. Budgeting 101. What is a budget and why is it so important? Budgeting is one of the most important financial habits you can adopt. However, if you've never lived on a budget, it's easy to wonder why it's such a prominent aspect of personal finance. So, why is budgeting important? Budgeting is important because it helps you track your expenses, achieve your financial goals, and save more money. Number 1. Track your expenses. Let's be honest, when you go through your finances without using a budget, things can get out of control. Without the budget, you don't really have anything letting you know you are spending beyond your means. Sure, you might have a general idea about how much money you can spend, but without the budget it's easy to lose control of your spending habits. Budgeting is important if you want to monitor your spending habits, understand the impact of even small expenses, and take control of your financial health. Number 2. Achieve your financial goals. Budgeting is important because it keeps you on track to achieve your financial goals. Setting goals is pretty easy. Anybody can do it. But here's the thing, setting goals and actually achieving your goals are two very different things. In order to achieve a goal, you need to stick to a plan. And that's where having a budget is so important. Whenever you sit down to log your expenses into your budget, you are essentially recommitting to your financial goals. This will make you more likely to achieve them. Number 3. Save more money. By focusing on your budget, you are able to eliminate waste, which increases the amount you are able to save. Your budget will hold you accountable for your financial decisions, which can keep your spending from getting out of control. Instead of just saving any random amount left over, your budget will help you increase the savings you have in your bank account. Between helping you achieve your financial goals and helping you save more money, there are so many reasons to live on a budget. The real question is, why wouldn't you? Be sure to check out our other videos on budgeting. They will help you live a more abundant life. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.